welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing. I just got it in the mail from Plants of Joy. So hard to resist looking at everything that she's posting, and then she does currently she's doing what's it called, free shipping on $25 or more, so that is a pretty good deal. So let's see what he got. Well, I know what I got, but let me just read it to you guys. Oh yeah, I was lucky enough. Wait, I don't know what I'm going to open up right now. Let's see. Oh yeah, I tried to get stuff that I don't already have. Okay guys, look at this. This is what I like too, that I know that I'm going to get stuff from her that I typically won't get at Home Depot. It's like I'm not going to find it. So that's the difference here with her. Look at that. I've never seen this one over there or anywhere. This is my first time seeing it in person. It's so precious. This one is it's not on here because I had two orders combined. So I'll have to post it on right here for you guys to see. So that is beautiful. Oh, that's right. I got a crassula right here. Look at how pretty that is. That one is crassula ivy tower. Oh, I didn't notice that wasn't in frame, guys. So see how I'll do with the crassulas. Sometimes I do well, sometimes I don't. I don't know. I'll try that. Again, all these will stay in my greenhouse because spring is already coming and we do get a lot of rain here, and it's not enough time to have a root establishment. Look what I got, guys. So you guys were right. I did not know that this exists. So when I was at Home Depot and I saw those arrangements, that was a variegated Echeveria Pro Newtonberg. And look what I got. I couldn't believe she had them. I'm like, I just saw that. It looks just like it. And it said variegated. So I'm excited to have this. Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, and I know what this, so I had I don't have this, and I've seen it before. I don't know if this is the one that turns purple, but they do have a purple one, maybe, because I do see hints of purple. But look at this trailing plant. This is gonna go inside the house. Look at that. Look at this beauty, guys. I'm excited. This is a cool looking one right here. I mean, maybe in the future I can, when I propagate and I have time to let it establish, I will bring it outside so that it can get that purple color. I doubt inside I'll have enough light to get it to have that color, but that is a really beautiful trailing plant. I'm super excited. This little piece. And then I don't know, I don't think these propagate on the little things right here. I don't think they'll propagate. On some they do, but not all. So yeah, here are my plants that I got. Move these to the side. And that one is so pretty. So I'm excited, guys. I already have my mix ready to go. This mix is a little wet, but that's okay. These plants need a little bit of moisture because they've been traveling, so that will be perfectly fine. So guys, I haven't had a chance to talk to you guys about anything. So this week, the first week of, well, so on the 29th of February, my husband went to Guatemala for a mission trip to go help finish a school over there, and you know, other projects that they have going on, and also, you know, feeding some of the homeless people over there. So he sent me some pictures, very cool pictures, and also, you know, he told me that there was really sad moments and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm really happy that he's able to do this. I know it's a super different experience for him, and it could be very life-changing. So I'm excited about that. And then my youngest is in, where did she go? In Washington for the safety patrol thing. So yeah, so that she left on the 3rd. So today is Friday, and she'll get here tomorrow, and then Dad gets here on Sunday. So I'm excited. I miss my whole family together. So it's only been me and my oldest these past couple days. So it's a little it's different. It's different. So yeah, we really miss them. So, but we're excited that, you know, they're able to have these experiences in their lives. So yeah, I think I might want to bring this up higher. It's too low. It doesn't have a deep root system. So yeah, so what I've been doing when they were gone, I worked on our bathroom. I redid some stuff in the bathroom. So that was pretty cool. And then nothing. I went to my brother's wedding. Drove forever. Oh my gosh, we got stuck in traffic, so a lot of driving. And then today I went to Costa Farms. I'll be sharing eventually a video with you guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have already seen that. So yeah, that's what's been going on this week. Very busy week. So the roots will just start to go down in there. I think I might still give it a little bit of water. Even though the soil is moist, I'll just give it a little bit of water just so it has a better success rate. I need to get the plant that I have. I have a cactus that's been sitting in my greenhouse. I took it out the pot so that it can dry because the soil was very wet when I got it from the store. So now I just need to pot that up. Look at this beauty. This one also reminds me of the Afterglow, but the colors are different, obviously. So yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna have some cool weather. So different. I'm slacking. I haven't watered. I can tell some of my plants in the greenhouse. In the greenhouse, they need water. They look a little bit on the dry side. I'm touching it too much and messing up the farina. Pretty. I haven't been showing you guys, but I've purchased quite a few indoor plants. They're just regular, I think, pothos, different types of pothos they're called. I'm not too familiar with indoor plants, but yeah, I'm just trying to see how I do with them. I think those type of plants, the pothos, are more forgiving. You can tell quickly when they need water, so as long as I'm paying attention and looking at them the way they look, If they start to look droopy, then they need water. So that's what I'm doing with those. Well, I also got a polka dot. It's called the polka dot plant. That one as well. That one's a little bit more difficult. I mean, I feel like that one requires a little bit more water than the other ones, and because it will look, the leaves will look like if they've been in sun, and they get no kind of sun. They just are in my living room in bright natural light. That's it. Let me go grab that cactus. I don't know the name of this cactus. It's probably like in the blue cactus family, probably. I'm not sure. Hey, Maxie. Hello. Yeah, I'm kind of a little bit frustrated with myself that I didn't get a chance to do more potting stuff during the winter so that they have a chance. I mean, I can pot, but I'll have to make a point to put it, you know, in the greenhouse for now, unless I feel like taking a chance on, you know, on that pot. But yeah, I don't know if I'm a little late, so we'll see. Okay, your horn works. You're on the crooked side. Why? Ow! That one was on the soil. It fell onto the soil, and I applied so much pressure. I got it stuck on my finger. Uh-oh. Okay, time to clean up and show you guys what they look like. There you go, I'm all set. Here's a close look. Nancy, you want to go inside? What's wrong? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.